Hello, so today I'm going to explain question 1 of tutorial 9. So let's read the question first. The displacement of a particle undergoing a simple harmonic motion is given as x equals 8 sine 4 pi t, where x is measured in meter and t in second. Determine A, the amplitude, B, angular velocity, C, period of oscillation and displacement when t is equals to 0.2 seconds. So question A and B is actually very straightforward. So we are given an equation which is x equals a sine omega t. Oh my god. Alright, so we can just compare it with the given equation, which is 8 sine 4 pi t. Right? Alright, so A. Find the amplitude. So amplitude A is equals to 8. So the answer is A equals 8 meter, because the SI unit for amplitude is meter. Second one is B, the angular velocity. So the angular velocity is 4 pi. Okay. SI unit is radian per second. For C, the period of oscillation. So we know omega is equals to 2 pi frequency. So what we need to find is the frequency, right? Yeah, the frequency to find the period. So we substitute 4 pi equals 2 pi then we can get 2 hertz. Alright, so the formula for period is t equals 1 over f. So you just substitute in, so we get 0.5 second. Okay, done with C. Now for question D, the displacement, right? So you can just sub in. So when t equals 0.2, x equals 8 sine 4 pi times 0.2. So you press the calculator and you get 4.7 meter. So that is all from me. Thank you.